Hello mga kawiser! For today, we will be drawing pineapple but before that, mag-intro muna tayo.
We're going to begin our pineapples by drawing the pineapple's body first and then the top. You're going to start off by drawing a large curved line. Next, down one side in different sections, draw zigzag lines. So as you can see, we'll do it on this side as well. You'll do zigzag lines and then straight, zigzag lines, straight, zigzag lines, straight, just like that. Next, at the bottom, we're going to draw two ovals. Then we're going to connect the body, and you can also draw a parallel line around it, just like that. That will just make it look a little bit more 3D. Okay. In the body, in the bottom half, you're going to draw two long U shapes that are on a diagonal facing inward. Next, we're going to draw the face for our pineapple, and we're going to do it lower down on the body. On one side, you're going to draw a circle, and you're going to draw a similar sized circle on the other side. Next, you're going to color in that circle, leaving just a small white circle in there. And you're going to do it on both eyes, just like that. Next, between the eyes, we're going to draw a nice, long, straight line. And then we're going to make a nice, deep U shape. Okay? Just like that. Next, we're going to draw a line that curves in from the side and across, and then you're going to color the rest of the mouth in with your mark making medium, whatever you have chosen to use. Okay, I'm now going to add some zigzag lines here and there to create the different sections of my pineapple. Just like that. Now we're going to do the pineapple's top. For the pineapple's top, we're going to draw a nice, tall, kind of triangular shape toward the top of the page. And at the bottom, we're going to add two curving leaves or two curving triangular shapes. And then we got to do another one above the first one, and then just two little triangles poking out at the top. Okay, just like that. And then we're gonna add a line up the middle of each for texture. And now this guy is ready to be either colored with complementary colors or painted. And we're gonna be using complementary colors today. And the reason why we're using complementary colors is because we want to create contrast, 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 contrast. And complementary colors help us create contrast. I'm going to begin by painting the background, but if you don't have paints at home, again, you should use whatever art mediums you have or like to use. Purple and yellow are complementary colors, so I'm going to do a purple background, and of course my little pineapple here is yellow, so that will help create contrast in my art piece and will help my viewers look at the pineapple. Once your background is painted or colored, you can then use your medium to fill in the foliage. Last, I'm going to fill in my pineapple's body, and of course that will be yellow, and it's a very a much brighter color than the background, so it helps attract my viewers or audience's eye to this part first, and then they realize that it's a pineapple, because then they'll move up, look at the green, and they won't notice the background as much because all the attention will be put, our emphasis will be put on my pineapple. One, to do with size and scale because it's the largest subject in my art piece, but also the colors are contrast or high contrast colors, so they're bringing my viewers' eyes directly there and keeping them there. And that is the power of using your principles of design in your artwork. I'm also going to add a little bit of orange around the feet there, a little bit underneath some of those zigzaggy lines that I added. And that's just going to bleed and blend and add a little bit of texture and character to my pineapple. Once you're done coloring in your pineapple, your art piece is completed. Artastic Nation, that's